Hello, amazing souls. Welcome back to I Am Money, the place where positive vibes and transformative insights collide. Today's topic is a game changer, a single affirmation that has the potential to reshape your entire life. Stick around because this one affirmation could be the key to unlocking your greatest potential. But first, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Also, click the link on this channel bio if you would love to explore more about the law of attraction. Before we unveil this powerful affirmation, take a moment to center yourself. Find a comfortable space, take a deep breath, and let go of any tension. Affirmations work best when spoken with intention and belief. Are you ready to embark on this life-changing journey? Let's get started. I am worthy of all the love, success, and happiness that the universe has to offer. I embrace abundance in all aspects of my life, and I am open to the limitless possibilities that surround me. This affirmation is a declaration of self-worth and an invitation to abundance. By affirming your worthiness and openness to abundance, you shift your mindset towards positivity and attract positive energy into your life. It's a simple yet profound statement that can set the stage for incredible transformations. Those who have adopted this affirmation into their daily practice report increased confidence, a more positive outlook, and a noticeable shift in the opportunities that come their way. Remember, affirmations work best when consistently practiced with genuine belief. Results may vary, but the potential for positive change is immense. Now, here's the challenge for you. Repeat this life-changing affirmation every morning for the next 21 days. Immerse yourself in the positive energy it brings and observe the shifts in your mindset and life. Share your experiences in the comments below and let's inspire each other on this transformative journey. Are you up for the challenge? That concludes today's empowering session. If you believe in the power of affirmations, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more life-changing insights.